A new twist in the case of disgraced former South Carolina attorney Alex Murdaugh, whose double murder case gripped the nation, now headed back to court where prosecutors could seek the ultimate punishment. The state attorney general saying all our legal options are on the table, including the death penalty.
I find it incredibly shocking that the state of South Carolina is talking about the death penalty. This case and all the facts of this case are the same.
Once a prominent power broker in South Carolina courtrooms, Murdaugh finds himself in a new legal fight that could again put his life on the line. Earlier this week, the state Supreme Court overturning Murdaugh's murder convictions for his wife and son in their home in 2021. Justices unanimously citing former county clerk Becky Hill showed shocking jury interference after one juror said she told the jury not to be fooled by the evidence and to watch him closely when he testified, effectively placing her fingers on the scales of justice. Hill denies this allegation.
Everyone has a right to a fair and impartial jury. They have the right to a fair trial. And when you have a court making comments on the defendant, it's inevitable that an appeal would occur. And I'm not surprised that the Supreme Court overturned the conviction.
Here's Hill reading the verdict in the first trial.
Guilty, guilty, guilty.
The jury reaching a guilty verdict on those murder charges less than 3 hours later. Hill would resign soon after and plead guilty to perjury and misconduct charges. One juror from the first trial telling me Hill did not impact her guilty vote and is stunned the convictions were overturned.
I was a little shocked. I couldn't believe it at all. I never felt that she was pushing an agenda with me, so I never felt that she was trying to get me to vote either way.
Murdaugh's attorneys have long maintained his innocence, accusing Hill of swaying the jury to sell a book on the trial, a book that was shelved over accusations of plagiarism.
While we strongly disagree with the Supreme Court, we respect this decision. It's currently my intention to seek a speedy retrial.
Murdaugh's attorneys have not yet commented on prosecutors potentially seeking this death penalty here. Meanwhile, he's still serving a 40-year federal sentence and a 27-year state sentence on separate financial crimes, guys.
Wow, this case just keeps going.
Stunning twist, yeah.
Very. Thank you so much, Andrew.